So I have been getting a lot of comments and questions on how I have done this absolutely gorgeous abstract wall art. It's been a really long time since I wanted to do something on the empty white walls, and I couldn't find a much easier, better option than this. So let me share with you guys how to make this beautiful piece of art. I use different sizes of popsicle sticks, glue gun, black and gold spray paints. So let's get started with a certain design in mind on how to arrange the popsicle sticks. Yes, we need a lot of popsicle sticks for this project. As per the design, we need to glue the popsicle sticks together to make different sizes of squares and rectangles. You can also use wooden glue for gluing the sticks, but a glue gun is really quick and easy to use. Once done gluing them, arrange them as per your design, or you can just keep them separately and spray paint them. I have used black and gold spray paints here. Apply one coat of black spray paint and then a neat coat of gold spray paint on top. This will make the gold color look sharper. Once it is done and dried, you can glue them together using the glue gun again as per your design. I have used double-sided stickers to place them onto my wall. And now for the leaves, fold a piece of black chart paper into half. Throw half of a leaf on one side, score the foldings properly and cut it out. Fold it inside out so that you get a proper shape of a leaf. You can also cut them out in different sizes. It all depends on how your design is. Now color the leaves with metallic acrylic paints. I have used bronze, gold and silver here. You can also leave it as it is. Once the colors are dried, you can just stick it onto your design on the walls using a double-sided sticker or glue gun itself.